Good morning, class. I just wanted to go over finding equivalent fractions to whole numbers. In the last two lessons, we talked about finding like the whole number 3, and then we also talked about finding 3 when we have our whole numbers divided into parts. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the first model here. What I have here is I have 4 squares. So I have 4 wholes. They are not divided into parts. So if I come up here, I can write my whole number 1. I can write my whole number 2, my whole number 3, and my whole number 4. Now, in order to find a fraction that would be equivalent to this whole number 4 up here, I have to think about a numerator and denominator. First of all, my denominator, I do not have any parts to the whole. I just have one whole part. So my denominator is going to be 1. Now I would count over how many wholes do I have. I have 4 whole squares, so that would be my numerator. So the whole number 4 would equal 4 over 1. Now, so that is our first model. Okay, this is model number 1. This is model number 2. And what's happening here is, again, I have 4 whole squares. But each whole square is divided into 4 parts. So let me just draw a number line really quick here. So if I put a number line underneath here, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put, this point would be 0, 1, I'm going to spread it out a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we know the number line goes on. So I see that I have 4 whole numbers on my number line. Now what I've got to think about is, I've got to think about there are 4 parts between each whole number. So I'm going to have to divide this into 4 parts. I come between my 1 and 2, I divide that between 4 parts, into 4 parts. Between 2 and 3, I divide that into 4 parts. And between 3 and 4, I divide that into 4 parts. Now here I want to know what my fraction for my whole number 4 would be. So again, I have to look at, now I have my squares are divided into 4 parts. So right away I know that my denominator is going to be 4. And you can see our parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each whole number is divided into 4 parts. Now what I have to do is I have to count over to my whole number 4 based on those 4 parts. So we're going to do the numerator now, and you guys can count with me. And it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So therefore my numerator is 16. So my whole number here would equal 16 fourths, okay? So the difference that I'm seeing between these two models is model number 2 is divided into 4 parts, where model number 1 is just 1 part or 1 whole. So that would be my denominator in the fractions. And then the trick that I taught you, if you go ahead and you divide 4 divided by 1, you would get the whole number 4. And if you divided 16 divided by 4, or 4 divided by 16, you would get the whole number 4. Okay, so you can check that to make sure that you are correct. So this is just a little mini lesson on finding equivalent fractions to whole numbers. We're going to keep practicing that, and I will see you later. Thank you.